Good morning, my beloved kids. I hope you are all doing well. You're enjoying your first vacation, if I can call it. So let's continue with nets and surface area. We spoke about nets in the last session, and today we're going to continue the same topic. Let's start by solving the homework. So we wanted to use the nets to find the surface area for the pyramid. We have here a pyramid. It has a square base, which is from the bottom here, and it has four triangles as sides. So the surface area of my pyramid is equal to the area of the net. What is the net? I'm going just to open this or unbox this shape here. So I will have four triangles and one base which is rectangle. So the surface area equals to 4 times the surface of one triangle, that means four sides, plus the surface or the area of the base. So what is the area of one side? It is triangle, so the rule of area for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. My base is 16, my height is 20 inches divided by 2. This is for one face, so I multiply it by 4 because I have four sides. Alright, then plus the surface of my base, which is a square, which has the area of 16 times 16, length times width. Now the total is 896 inch square or squared inch. Why? Because my unit here is inch. This should be inch squared. Let's take another example of the surface area for the pyramid. So remember, we defined the pyramid as a shape that has a polygon in the base and sides that are triangles that meet in one point that we called apex. So in the previous example, our pyramid has a base that is square. Now we have another pyramid that is called a triangular pyramid. Triangular means it has a triangle as the base. So I'm looking for the surface area of this shape. Again, using the net, I will open my shape. It will look something like this. This base here is shown here, and these are the three sides around my pyramid. This is 4 inches, so this is 4 inches, and the height in the base is 2 inches from here to here, which is this one, 2 inches. Now the side has a height of 6 inches from the middle here to the top here. When I open it, it should be this one, 6 inches. Now surface area of this equal to the area of my net. What is the area of the net here? It is the area of my base plus the area of three sides. So I will first find the area of one side, multiply it by 3 because I have three sides, plus the surface of my base. So 3 times the sides plus one base. Now look, the shapes are all triangles. We're going to use the rule of area for the triangle. So for this big one, it is 1 over 2 base times height. What is the base here of my triangle? It is 4 inches. 4 inches for all of them, they are all equal. Times height, what is the height? It is 6 inches. I'm talking about the side triangle. So it is 1 over 2 base times height, 4 times 6. Okay, multiplied by 3 because of 3 sides, so I multiplied by 3. Plus the area of the base. What is the area of the base? It is base or base times height. These are all equal. So if this is 4 inches, this is also 4 inches. So the area of this triangle is 1 over 2 base, which is 4 inches, times height, which is 2 inches. 1 over 2 times 4 times 2. The total is 40 square inches. Clear? You can also have lots of shapes in the base of your pyramid. So we have several types of pyramids as we've seen in the last slides. All right, let's do another practice. We have here square pyramid. Again, we call the pyramid by the shape of its base. If it's square, then we say this is a square pyramid. So it has one square base that they can see here, and it has 4 triangular faces. Now, the surface area for my pyramid is equal to the area of the base, that is 36. How did I find 36? Easy. For the square, it is 6 times 6, length times width, so it gives me 36 square inches. Now, the area of the sides, they are triangles, so it will be base times height divided by 2. What is my base? It's 6 inches times height, which is 4. 6 times 4 divided by 2. That's 4, 1. Now multiply it by 4. It is 48 square inches. So the total area of the sides is 48. Now, what is the whole area? It is the area of the base plus 4 of these. So it is 36 plus 48, which is 84. Now, this area is 84, so the surface area of my square pyramid is 84 square inches. All right? Now, let's talk about another type of shapes, which we call prism. What is a prism? Let's first watch a short video and come back to the slides. Enjoy.
Prisms. A prism is a solid in which both the top and bottom faces are parallel. Also, both the top and the bottom faces are congruent. And all the side faces are rectangular in shape.
So as you have seen in the video, the prism is a figure that has 2 parallel bases. It's not like a pyramid. The pyramid has one base, but the prism has 2 bases. One from here, for example, and the other one which is similar to this one, which is behind. Also, its sides are rectangular shapes. Not like pyramid. The pyramid sides are what? Are triangles, not rectangles. So that's a prism. This is another type of prism. It has a base that is triangle. Okay. It has another base from the other side which is exactly equal to this one, which is from the other side. It's triangle as well. And it has 3 rectangular sides. This one is also prism. If this is the base one, I have another base which is behind, and I have 4 sides that are rectangulars. Now, how can I find the surface area for the prism? Again, we are going to use the net. So Suppose I have this square prism. Why I call it square? Because its base is square. So it has a square base from the bottom and the same one from the top, and it has 4 rectangular sides. So if I open this shape now, it will give me this net. So this top one is here, the back one is from behind, this is my bottom base, this is the left side, which is from here, this is front side. So this face here is exactly this face, this is the right side, which is this one. So I cut it here and I open it like this. Now the surface area for my square prism is equal to the total area of my net here. What is the net here? I have 2 squares as bases plus 4 sides. Alright, so the area of one triangle, let's take this one, that is length times width, so it is 4 times 3 for 1, multiplied by 4 because I have 4 sides, so it is 4 times 4 times 3. This is the length and this is the width. These are 4 sides, plus 2 times the area of base, because I have 2 bases, one here and one here, one from the bottom and one from the top. What is the area of my base? It's 3 times 3. So it is 3 times 3 multiplied by 2. This is the total. Now, the total area is 3 times 3, which is 9 times 2, which is 18, plus 3 times 4, which is 12 times 4, and the total is 66 square feet. So we use the same thing. If I have a prism, what I'm going to do is to open it, make a net out of it, look at the net, define the shapes, find the total area, then add it all together. That will be the surface area of my net. Alright, let's finish up with this short homework. I want you to tell which net is this, or what does this net represent, which shape. Then after that, find the surface area of the shape. First one. Second one, I want you to find the surface area for this prism. You have here length of my base is 7, the width is 1, and the height here is 5 feet. So try to use the net with this and find the surface area. Alright guys, upload your answers in my classroom.google.com. Use this code if you did not join yet, and upload a clear picture of your answers there. Send your comments and your concerns, your questions if you have any. Okay, take care of yourselves. See you in the next session. Bye.